Okay, so I already did my base, and I'm gonna keep looking at the pictures of Heize because I want to I want to make sure that I'm doing this as best as I can. I've never done a recreation look. This is more inspired, I guess, because I honestly don't know exactly what I'm doing. So her brows are pretty straight, so I'm gonna try and do my best to make them straight. This part is gonna be hard because my brows like already shaped. Oh my gosh, guys, this is really hard. Okay, so this part's kind of hard because I got my eyebrows microbladed. Because of that, I can't really change the shape of my brow. This is like the best I can do, even though it looks the same, but you know what, it's okay. Okay, well, this is not starting off very well. I'm just going to leave my brows like this. I don't think it's that big of a deal. Okay, I'm going to do my eyes, but I got these kind of bluish gray contacts because it looks like she's wearing something like that in the pictures. So I'm gonna change into those really quick and I will be right back. I look really scary. Okay, well, I guess maybe it'll look less weird as we continue the video, but these are a lot brighter than I thought they were gonna be. This video is taking wrong turns. Anyways, let's just keep going, and if it looks weird, I'll just go back to my normal eyes. All right, so I'm taking my Overtake palette and I am looking at her, and it looks like a lot of shimmer, and then there's some dark brown at the ends of her eyes. So first, I'm gonna be taking this light brownish color, and I'm gonna be using this as a base, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lids with my fingers. Then I'm going to be taking this color, it's all cracked up, sorry, and I'm going to be also putting this all over my lids, but not bringing it as high up as the initial color. Then I'm going to be taking that same color and I'm going to be shadowing it on my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the dark brown color next to it, and I'm just going to be concentrating this on the outer parts of my eye because it looks like she has some dark brown shades on the outer ends of her eyes. So because I have monolids, I feel like I do it a little bit differently. Like on her eyes, it looks more like they use the brown as kind of a liner, whereas for me, I'm just kind of using it as a shadow to darken this part of my eyes, and that way when I open it, this part looks dark. Does that make sense? I don't know if this is making sense, but I feel like if you have monolids, you kind of understand what I'm saying. So that's what I've just done. I've just kind of darkened it over here, and then when I open my eyes, it looks dark right there. Unfortunately, I am not blessed in the lash department, and her lashes, like the bottom lashes, they look very sparse. They kind of almost look, those also might be false lashes. She might be wearing falsies top and bottom, but fortunately I do not have those. So I'm going to stick with my trusty Kiss Lashes in Lily, just because I know they work for me. So I'm just gonna be using these. All right, so my lashes are on, and they're definitely a lot more dramatic than Heize's lashes, but this is all I have to work with, so we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna do blush now, and I have this 3CE blush cushion in the color Girlish Red. So what I like to do is I like to just press my fingers into the cushion, lightly blend it into my cheeks. So I'm using this color because it looks like Heize has some rosy-ish cheeks. So this color kind of brings back out my hyperpigmentation, but the thing is, that kind of happens with any reddish blush. I'm not sure why, like maybe because it's so red, or maybe because I'm smearing away the coverage that I already put on, but it always seems to happen with reddish colors. All right, so she also has a very slim nose. So let me try and slim down my nose. Okay, so I think I've done the best I could without it looking really weird. All right, so it looks like Heize has some highlight right here. I'm not sure if it's actually highlighter or maybe just her skin is very nice and dewy. But I'm gonna be taking some of my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna put some on my nose and on the bridge. So I like this one because it's very light, so you can go little by little if you need more. It's not too strong or anything. Okay, so I think we're on the last thing, and that's lips. I feel like this is kind of what makes the whole look. I got this Bite Beauty matte lip crayon because I was trying to search so hard for a color that looked like hers, and hers is kind of a reddish orangish color. So I went into Sephora and I found this lip crayon. Okay, so let's try this out. Ooh, that looks really nice. That's definitely the color that I was initially going for. Her lips don't really look that matte though, so I'm going to put on a little bit of this glossy lip tint. This is by Nature Republic. This is in the color 4, I think. Hopefully this doesn't ruin the color or anything. Okay, that's a lot better. It's a little more like shiny, kind of like her lips. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. She is wearing glasses, earrings, a red hat, a yellow shirt, and a denim jacket. So I'm going to try and replicate this look. I already kind of curled my hair a little bit because her hair is kind of curly in the photo. So I have this denim jacket. I'm just gonna throw this on. She's kind of wearing long dangly earrings, so these ones I think will work. I feel like these glasses are kind of similar. Then hat. Sorry guys, these glasses are super reflective when I just sit straight because the light is right there, but I think they look pretty good. Ooh, cool, cool. So I moved the camera in this direction because the glare was just too much. So yeah, every time I see. But I'm actually really happy with the way that my makeup turned out. It was a little bit rough in the beginning, but I think that it turned out pretty well in the end. I've been really loving Heize's music lately, and I think she's really talented. And I just really like her overall style and vibe. And I remember when she did her 3CE collaboration, I was like, whoa, I love all these photos and all these makeup looks. And this one actually stuck out to me the most. And I just remembered it when her album came out recently. Yeah, so I really wanted to try this out and I'm really happy with it. But anyways, I hope you guys liked it too, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye! Woo!